Hello guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm preparing the most cooked food in the village and so delicious. So today I'm preparing, we have here pumpkin leaves, so delicious when you're cooked, and I'll mix with some chicken and ugali as usual. So guys, let's start and enjoy. Mbona nataka kukuja ukati? And so guys, this pumpkin leaves in our village, we call it seveve, and I'll be mixing with these vegetables called mito in our language. I don't know in English how we call it, but we call it mito. So I'll be mixing with the seveve and I'll be boiling, then I'll fry later. So guys, I've finished cutting, so I want to wash, then I start boiling. And so guys, we use this to make the vegetables soft. We call it munyu, but in English I don't know its name, so you can tell me in the comments. And it's just we burn maize cob and banana leaves, or just maize cob, and we filter, and this is the result. So guys, after putting, you add some water to boil the vegetables for a while, like 15 minutes, as you prepare the things, and after boiling you fry, then you serve with the ugali. So I want to prepare ugali there, and I'll be showing you how. Now guys, the vegetables are ready for boiling, for frying. So guys, these are the onions and tomatoes I want to use to fry the vegetables, and I'll be preparing the chicken here for the stew, and everything will be okay. So meanwhile, I want to prepare the ugali as usual. So hope you're enjoying. So guys, the vegetables ready for frying, so let me fry as you enjoy the process. And consider subscribing, share and comment, and tell me how you prepare your food, and how you do your stuff. Watoto wakimbilia mimba. Hapo tu dumu. Ambone wewe. Ule rekodi vizuri. And guys, it's raining outside, so let me show you how it's raining, and as I continue cooking. It is so smoky because of the firewood we are using in the kitchen, and you can see how the environment looks like. So let's continue cooking while it's raining as we prepare our supper tonight. So guys, the vegetables now ready. So let me prepare the ugali there as the vegetable cooks a little while. Then I'll be serving for supper tonight. Guys, it's raining and it's evening. One preparing supper, as you can see, and that's the nature and the mood in the evening when it's raining and while we are cooking in the kitchen. So hope you're enjoying. So you can tell us how you prepare your food while it's raining and how you prepare your delicious food in your area or your village. Yeah, and consider subscribing. So guys, now we want to prepare ugali, and this is how we put. We just put some flour, and then we wait for the water to boil. Then we add the flour, and we start stirring as we turn until the ugali is ready. So the water is ready now. So we want to put the flour now. So now guys, we just add the flour slowly by slowly, and we start stirring. Yeah, like that. And this is the best and the stable food in our village, ugali, mostly at supper time, because at lunchtime people prepare rice or bananas. So the supper we prepare ugali for everybody to now eat. And you can see how the ugali is now being prepared. Simple way, but a lot of people fear because of you can cook the ugali that's not well cooked. And guys, this the ugali will be serving with the vegetables, kienyeji vegetables, and the chicken stew for supper tonight. So guys, if you are new here, you can subscribe, share, and comment, and tell me more about how you prepare your food in the village, especially ugali and vegetables. And now that the chicken stew I was preparing, I want to serve with the vegetables and the ugali. So I want to fry the chicken first now. So I'm adding the onions first, then I'll be putting tomatoes and salt later. Meanwhile, the ugali is almost ready. Now we just cook for like 20 to 25 minutes. The ugali will be ready. So guys, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, comment. I want to know what you think about our cooking. So now I'm adding the tomatoes, then I'll be putting the salt. So after stirring the ugali and turning it around, you just leave it for some time to cook itself. Then you continue turning, and then you'll remove because it will be ready. So guys, just I've added some water for soup, and I'll be add that will be taken with the vegetables. So I want to let the chicken boil for a while, then the soup to be tasty, then I'll be serving. So guys, as you can see, our ugali is ready now. So I want to let it cook for like 2 minutes, then I'll be removing and serving with the delicious vegetables that I've prepared. So guys, that is the simple way of preparing ugali in our village, and most people love ugali. So that's the best thing, because if you can prepare the ugali, everybody will just eat and be happy. So and guys, just like the video, comment and tell me more about your village, how you cook, and what you think about our village, how we prepare food. And guys, this is how we dry our plates before we put ugali. If the plate is so wet and we want to use it fast, so we just dry it on fire, then we prepare. Just for a few seconds the plate is okay, and we put the ugali now. So guys, so dark outside, you can see it's at night around 7:30 now, and so it starts raining heavily. So I'm just here to pick a plate. I want to go and serve my food. The plates are so wet because of the rain. You can see how the outside looks like, so dark. So guys, our supper is ready, so I want to serve and show you how the food looks like, and I will be enjoying the meal. So I want to, and preparing the meat stew here. And I'll be adding the soup. So thank you guys for watching. Consider subscribing, share, comment. Our supper is now ready. As you can see, the food is so delicious. So thank you guys for watching. See you in the next one.